if you can hear me, but we've got another sandstorm, which I put on a video earlier how dark it got. Jesus, it's sounding me like now. It's pretty friggin' windy at the moment. It rained earlier, it came over dark, we thought it was a sandstorm, then it just thunder and lightning just pissed down, and then it stopped. I mean, it literally rained for a couple of minutes, and just completely stopped. Everything's dried up, and then it just got dark. Now it has light, and it actually looked, I mean, to be honest, it looked like we'd suddenly jumped 3 hours into night time, because it got really, really dark. And oh fuck, this is hard to keep my eyes open. Not sure where this guy's going. Yeah, seriously. It's fucking windy out here. Yeah, it just got really dark and proper sandstorm again. I've shown the distance. You can see between the two buildings in the distance, very well, you can hardly see them. Ah, shit. And it's just, but it was really, really, really dark. It's crazy how it suddenly went from sunny to dark, and now it's lightened up again. But there's a lot of sand in the air. It's still very windy. You can see my hair's gone all over the bloody place. It's pretty bad. It's not good. Oh dear. Oh shit. I've got like grit in my eye at the moment. God. Yeah. That's weird. I've never seen it. All the time I've been there, I've been here nearly 5 years now, and I've never seen so many sandstorms in such a short time. Normally, I've only ever seen 3 spread over a whole year, but we've literally, I think we've had 5 over the past 5 months, like literally a sandstorm every month. It's really crazy. And I will look rough because I feel rough. I'm knackered. Yvonne give me I don't know, a virus or something, or a sore throat. It's just, and I am just so tired at the moment. You can see the trees. I don't know if you can see how trees are. Oh man. You can see how the trees are proper going for it. I was going to finish recording, but shit. But it looks like where I'm going, I'm a bit sheltered here, so I'm going to keep it going. And when it's really windy, hopefully you'll get to really appreciate how bad it is. And you can see all the debris on the floor. Look at those trees going for it. Oh, well, that's where I used to live, where me and Eve used to live. But if I'm not blind by the time I've got home, it'll be a miracle. Oh my god! Yeah, that's bad. It's actually hurting. I can actually feel sand ripping my skin. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right. Jesus. It doesn't feel like a carpet. My days is fucking windy. Crazy. Oh. In a shallower part. Yeah, bit protected there, so it's not too bad. Anyway, we're going into the mini mart now. Whew. Anyway, please guys, share me about. I seriously need to get some more subscribers. I'm not, especially now I've gone blind. I really need to push those subscribers out. It'd be a big help if you could share me out and like that button. Cheers.